So if you don't understand this one simple thing about running ads for your business, you're going to lose a lot of money very, very fast. And so one thing that I always hear from people is, how fast can ads get my business making more money? Well, here's a hot tip that nobody likes to hear, but it is reality. A business that is not already in momentum, or it's dead in the water or going backwards, cannot rely alone on ads to get the entire thing lifted back off the ground. And the reason is because ads accelerate and amplify what you're already doing. So if your business is spiraling out backwards, you got to fix the reason why. And then from there forward, you can dial into the right person, speak to that right person with your ads and your socials, and then that will fuel the whole thing with those ads. So when people come and they're like, oh, everything's going wrong and this and that, and they put ads on it without fixing the underlying reasons, they wind up losing money, because unless you got millions of dollars to throw at ads to try to resurrect the dead, you're going to be caught in this upward hill in a snowstorm without any warm mittens or hats. Like, you're just going to be in trouble because, or not trouble, but you're going to lose a lot of money. And that is the reason why people that have struggling businesses wind up losing the money, is for that specific reason. So if you have like a wellness practice, you're a plastic surgeon, or maybe you have a local business, the reason why the business is not moving forward, fix that. Then get on the socials, get your social media looking nice, speaking to the right client, and then throw your ads behind it, and it will turbocharge everything that you're doing. So if you have any questions about this, or you would like some support or talk about your business, what is the best next step, you can go ahead and set up a complimentary call with us. So if you go below, you'll see the link in the description where you can click set that up. It's a 15-minute call. We'll help point you in the right direction of where you can get started with all of this, because ads are one of my most favorite things in the world. Same with talking about marketing, but there's things that have to be in alignment, and when they are, your marketing and your ads will go into the moon and back for you to help your business grow like crazy. But if you have questions about that, you're like, oh, Jen, I can't figure it out. Like, what is wrong with my business? Set up that call, 15 minutes, no cost, and then we can guide you for your next best steps.